Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to prove that one of the two expressions displayed on the screen is equivalent to 24x. To prove that the first expression is equivalent to 24x, I need to simplify it and then see if it equals to 24x. To simplify it, I need to follow 4 steps. The first step is to expand the binomial squares x plus 2 in parentheses squared and x minus 2 in parentheses squared. As a second step, I need to open parentheses, and then I need to add each pair of like terms that have the same variable, which is raised to the same power. And lastly, as a fourth step, I need to compare the result to 24x. If the simplified expression equals to 24x, then it is equivalent to it. Next, I'm going to show how all these steps come together and simplify the expression. The binomial square x plus 2 in parentheses squared can be expanded by using the formula for binomial square a plus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The variable x corresponds to the a in the formula, and the number 2 corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, this equals to 3x squared plus 2 times x times 2 plus 2 squared. Next, I need to use the formula for binomial square to expand x minus 2 in parentheses squared. The formula for binomial square will be a minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Again, the variable x corresponds to the a in the formula and 2 corresponds to the b in the formula. And when I apply the formula, this equals to 3x squared minus 2 times x times 2 plus 2 squared. And I need to see if this equals to 24x. Next, I'm going to simplify further. This equals to x squared plus 4x plus 4 in parentheses plus 3 x squared minus 4x plus 4 in parentheses. And again, I need to see if this equals to 24x. As a next step, I'm going to open parentheses by multiplying 3 with each term within the parenthesis. I'm going to multiply 3 by x squared, then by 4x, and then by 4. And for the next parenthesis, I'm going to do the same. 3 by x squared, 3 multiplied by negative 4x, and then by 4. When I do that, this equals to 3x squared plus 12x plus 12 plus 3x squared minus 12x plus 12. And then I need to see if this equals to 24x. Next, I'm going to add all pairs of like terms. Pair of like term is 3x squared and 3x squared, then 12x and negative 12x, and finally 12 and 12. When I add each pair, I get 6x squared. 12x and negative 12x are the same term with opposite signs. Therefore, their sum equals to 0 and they cancel out. What I have left is plus 24. And I can see that this simplified expression does not equal to 24x, therefore is not equivalent. Next, I'm going to follow the same approach to figure out if the second expression is equivalent to 24x. Again, I'm going to follow the same 4 steps. I'm going to expand the binomial squares x plus 3 in parentheses squared and x minus 3 in parentheses squared. Then I'm going to open parentheses, add each pair of like terms, and finally I'm going to compare the simplified expression if it equals to 24x. If it does, then they're both equivalent. And next, I'm going to show how to simplify the second expression and see if it equals to 24x. To simplify it, again, I'm going to use the formulas for binomial square, similar to the prior example, and expand the binomials x plus 3 in parentheses squared and x minus 3 in parentheses squared. When I apply the formula, this equals to 2x squared plus 2 times x times 3 plus 3 squared, closing parenthesis, minus 2x squared minus 2 times x times 3 plus 3 squared. And I need to see if this equals to 24x. When I simplify further, this equals to 2x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 2 times parenthesis x squared minus 6x plus 9, closing parenthesis, and again I need to see if this equals to 24x. When I open parentheses and multiply 2 by each term within the parenthesis, I get 2x squared plus 12x plus 18 minus 2x squared plus 12x minus 18. And I need to see if this equals to 24x. The pairs of like terms are 2x squared minus 2x squared, 12x and 12x, and then 18 and negative 18. 2x squared and negative 2x squared cancel out because their sum equals to 0. 18 and negative 18 also cancel out because their sum equals to 0. And then I have 12x and 12x makes 24x. And I can see that it does equal to 24x. Therefore, the second simplified expression is equivalent to 24x. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.